In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a data entry form in Microsoft Excel. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable way to enter records without scrolling across columns or worrying about misaligned data. Start by opening Excel and creating a new worksheet. In the first row, type the field names you want to capture, each in its own column. These will become your form's labels. For example, you might use fields like item, category, quantity, price, and date. Keep these headers short, clear, and unique so they're easy to recognize in the form. Now turn this header row into a structured table. Select your header cells, press Ctrl+T, and in the dialog that appears, make sure the option My Table Has Headers is checked, then click OK. This turns your range into a table, which is important because the form feature pulls its labels from those headers. A quick tip, if you're on a Mac, Command+T usually works here as well. Next, add the form command to your quick access toolbar so it's always handy. Look to the very top left of Excel for the small down arrow on the quick access toolbar and click it, then choose more commands. In the window that opens, change the choose commands from drop down to all commands to see the complete list. Scroll down until you find form, select it, click add to move it to the toolbar on the right, and then click OK. You should now see a small form icon in your quick access toolbar. Click anywhere inside the table you created so Excel knows which dataset to use, then click the form icon you just added. A data entry form will pop up showing your field names as labeled input boxes. This form lets you add records one at a time while keeping everything neatly aligned in the table. To create a new entry, click New in the form, fill in each field, and press Enter to save it. Excel will add the record as a new row in your table. If you make a mistake, you can reopen the form, use the navigation buttons to move through records, edit the fields, and press Enter to update. You can also tab between fields to speed things up and use consistent formats, especially for dates and numbers, to keep your data clean. That's it. You've built a quick, structured data entry workflow using Excel's built-in form. It's fast, it's accurate, and it keeps your table tidy as your dataset grows.